All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So once again, today working on the walkway lighting. And as you can see here behind the handrails or guardrails, all the liquid tight flex going over the rigid right there coming off of the conduit bodies. And then this is right next door where I did my lights on the first day that I was here, which was Thursday of last week. So still working at the same place. And then also had to drill into some of these junction boxes, stainless steel. If you've ever dealt with stainless steel, it's a lot harder to drill through, and you have to go pretty slow, and it takes a while. So anyways, I did a couple of those boxes, and then there was a torrential downpour, and my pants got soaked. So I did put my rain jacket on, and then pretty much the rain jacket just dumped all the water down the back of my pants and soaked them, and I even got a little bit of water in my shoes. But anyways, other than that, it was really nice. I'd say 80% of the day, and then it just had a few downpours, and that wasn't fun. But anyways, yesterday we got 8 lights in. As you can see, the little tops of the heads right here as I drive by. We did 8 lights yesterday, me and my coworker, and today we did 10. We had high hopes to pull wire and all that stuff, get all these things wired up, maybe even possibly burning. But that we just ran out of time, and yeah, that's what we got done today in our 8 hours. And then this is exactly where I turned off the camera and I got aggressively passed by a Kia Soul. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it and help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Like I said, yesterday we were doing these lights at about roughly 1 per hour, maybe 45 minutes. Today we were just going super fast. It was probably like anywhere from like 10 minutes to 30 minutes, but that was just leaving the liquid tight flex out the back of the guardrails, handrails, and then we came back later and then just took an extra few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, to put the flex into the conduit bodies. So total time probably roughly 15 to 35 minutes per light, down from like in 45 minutes to an hour yesterday. So I think that's probably where we're going to be sitting for our time, probably around like 15 to 35 minutes. Sounds pretty quick, and probably on the pace that we'll be at. So they are getting easier because we're just getting faster, and because when we take the plates off, or the walkway, I don't even know what to call that, but the fiberglass flooring that they have out there, when we take those off, it's getting deeper and deeper as we go around the corner of the marina. So we have more room, making it easier to work underneath of the flooring with strapping the beams and all that stuff. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Gonna have sunshine here for the next like 4 or 5 days. It's probably gonna be like 80 degrees, so gonna probably possibly be really dark in the next few days. So look forward to that. Hopefully I don't get sunburned, but other than that, things are going really well, super easy. Today, oh my gosh, today went by a lot slower just because we were more productive. Like yesterday, we were kind of getting the hang of it, so it went by really fast. But usually when, just for me personally, but when you get a lot done, the day seems to go by slower. And usually when you're struggling and you're getting nothing done, then the day goes by super fast. So kind of weird, but that's just how it has always been for me. So anyways, a little bit slower today just because we were getting a lot done. So it made the time go by really slow. But it was a really good day, just a few downpours. And my pants did eventually dry out. So anyways, happy about that. Lastly, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.